All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be reviewing the rules and norms that we talked about in our very first class. So we're going to go a little bit quicker, but just to kind of highlight some of the big points. And so I will start off with our cell phone policy. Remember, this is not me. It's not Mr. Christie. It's a district-wide thing. Those phones are put in the phone home until the end of class, unless you have translation thing, like if you need it for Google Translate, or if you have a glucose or other health concern. If it's a health concern, it should be in your pocket the whole time. I should not see it out. Okay? If I see it out, it goes to security, then you have to figure out how to take care of it on your own. Bathroom policy, you've got those 5 blue raffle tickets. That's what you get for the whole semester. Please don't come asking me for more. And if you're sick, obviously you don't have to use a blue raffle ticket. Food in class. Basically, you don't get any food in class unless I tell your class otherwise. The only exception to this would be if you have a B lunch and it's later in the afternoon and you've made it all the way through there and you're in my class right before then it could be like a granola bar or some kind of small snack. But otherwise, in every other class, no food. And let's go back to that. Also, no drinks. And so if you have that Starbucks or that Monster or whatever, put those up on the front table. Just don't forget to take them with you when class is over. Okay, so attendance policy. We kind of talked about this, but basically it's 2 point, 1 point, or 0 points. 2 points if you're on time and you're in your seat. 1 point if you are tardy. 0 points for if you are absent. Obviously, excused absences don't count against you, but the reason I have this, it's 0% of your grade, but for those people who are looking for a bump in their grade at the end of the semester, if I look at your attendance and it's all green and you've been progressing through it, I can see myself bumping you up a couple percents. If you are failing my class and you're like, why am I failing? I'm going to look at the attendance first, and if it's all reds, that means you're always tardy and you're always absent. Got nothing for you. And then the next 3 are basically the grading policies. There's a final, it's worth 10%. Unit tests are 40%. So that's 50% of your grade is unit tests and final. You cannot correct any of those things. So 50% of your grade, you cannot correct. The other 50% are quizzes and daily work. Now, with quizzes, if you fail a quiz, it is up to you to schedule Pride Time. I don't do that. And so if you miss a quiz or you miss a test, then I will schedule you for Pride Time. Otherwise, it's your responsibility. Daily work should be always 10 points, but if you give me garbage, I will grade it accordingly, and you will get the grade that you get. You can always make up that grade, though. So that's going to do it, guys. That's your rules and norms video. If you have any questions, let's talk.